Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a hot topic for you, the epic showdown between the air fryer and the convection oven. We're going to break it all down for you in this video. First things first, let's get the basics straight. What's the deal with an air fryer and a convection oven, and why are they creating such a buzz in the culinary world? Well, here's the scoop, both of these kitchen appliances rely on the magic of hot air. They use convection technology, which means they circulate hot air around the food to cook it. But there are some key differences that set them apart. An air fryer is essentially a compact, turbocharged convection oven. It's designed to provide that crispy, fried texture without drowning your food in oil. It's like the superhero of the frying world, promising healthier fried foods. On the other hand, a convection oven is like the Swiss Army knife of cooking appliances. It can bake, roast, broil, and do so much more. It's a workhorse in the kitchen, offering versatility for a wide range of cooking needs. Now, let's talk cooking efficiency. Time is precious in the kitchen, so which one's faster? The air fryer takes the prize for speed. It preheats quickly, and its compact size means the hot air circulates rapidly, cooking your food faster than a convection oven. If you're always on the go or looking to whip up a quick meal, the air fryer is your go-to. But, if you're cooking for a crowd or need to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously, the convection oven wins the efficiency game. It's got that larger capacity that can handle the load. Let's dive into taste and texture. After all, the proof is in the pudding, or in this case, the cooking. When it comes to taste and texture, it's a bit subjective. Air fryers are all about creating that crispy, fried finish with less oil. So, your fries, chicken wings, and other crispy delights come out amazing. But, if you're talking about roasts, baked goods, and dishes that require even cooking, the convection oven tends to shine. It offers more of that traditional, all-around cooking experience. Health is a big deal nowadays, and many folks turn to these appliances to make their meals a little healthier. So, how do they stack up in the health department? Air fryers are the champions of healthy frying. They require just a smidge of oil or even none at all to achieve that crispiness we all love. They're like the fitness gurus of the kitchen appliance world, helping you cut down on unhealthy fats. Convection ovens, while not as specialized as air fryers, still offer a healthier alternative to deep frying. They require less oil compared to traditional frying methods, but they may not give you that same crispy finish that air fryers excel at. Versatility, folks, that's the name of the game. Which one's the true multitasker? The convection oven takes the crown for versatility. It can handle baking, roasting, broiling, and so much more. It's like having a kitchen wizard that can do it all. You can even dehydrate fruits or proof bread in a convection oven. Air fryers, while fantastic at what they do, are more specialized. They're the experts in frying, but they might not be your first choice for other cooking methods. Alright, let's talk about cleaning up after your culinary adventures. Which one is easier to clean and maintain? In the cleaning department, air fryers come out on top. Most of them have removable parts that you can pop into the dishwasher. It's hassle-free and a big win for convenience. Convection ovens, being larger and more complex, might require a bit more elbow grease. Dealing with spills or baked-on residue can be a bit of a chore. Energy efficiency, that's another factor to consider. Which one consumes less energy? Air fryers, being smaller and heating up quickly, tend to be more energy efficient for smaller batches of food. They're like the eco-friendly choice for quick meals. Convection ovens, however, due to their larger size, might consume more energy. So, if you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint, you might lean towards the air fryer for everyday use. Last but not least, let's talk money. Which one is kinder to your wallet? Air fryers, in general, are budget-friendly. You can find a good quality air fryer for a relatively lower price compared to a convection oven. So, if you're on a tight budget or just want a specialized frying solution, the air fryer might be your wallet's best friend. Convection ovens, with their added features and larger capacity, tend to come with a higher price tag. If you're willing to invest in a versatile kitchen workhorse, the convection oven might be worth the splurge. So, there you have it, folks. The epic showdown between the air fryer and the convection oven. Both have their strengths, and it really comes down to your cooking style, needs, and kitchen space. If you're all about speed, healthier frying, and easy cleanup, the air fryer is your kitchen sidekick. But, if you're looking for a versatile kitchen wizard that can handle a variety of cooking tasks and have a larger family or frequently entertain guests, the convection oven might be your culinary soulmate. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's all about what works best for you and your kitchen. So, whether you're team air fryer or team convection oven, happy cooking. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen adventures.